Hey friends, who's hungry? I've shared several ways to cook okra, but if I'm being honest, good old fried okra is my favorite way to eat it. Let me show you how I make mine. To start, you'll need 3 cups of cut okra. You can use fresh or frozen okra, but if using frozen, be sure to let it thaw first. First, add 2 large eggs, 2 to 3 dashes of hot sauce, and 1/3 cup of milk to a medium dish. Whisk until the eggs are beaten and everything is combined. Next, add 2 to 3 cups of white or yellow self-rising cornmeal in a separate dish. Coat the okra in the egg mixture first, then transfer them to the cornmeal and stir them around until the outside of the okra is completely coated. Pour 2 to 3 inches of oil into a large skillet and heat over medium heat until the oil begins to shimmer. Add the okra in batches and fry until golden brown, about 2 to 4 minutes. Don't forget to flip the okra over about halfway through to ensure that they are golden brown on all sides. Drain the okra on paper towels, then season the okra with additional salt if desired. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.